Hello everyone. With the coming of the new tax season, the Income Tax Department has launched the new IT e-filing portal. The new portal promises a much better user experience for the taxpayers. But why should you register yourself on the portal? Well, it is mandatory for every taxpayer in the country to be a registered user on the IT department website. By registering, you can avail a lot of services like access last year's tax return, check refund status, pre-validate your bank account, download Form 26AS, and much more. So let's see how we can register ourselves on the income tax portal. So visit the official website of the Income Tax Department, which is incometax.gov.in. Once you visit the website, you will see a page that is something like this. So go ahead and click on register. So once you click on register, you will be redirected to another page. Here, you will be expected to put in and validate your PAN details. So let us go ahead and do that. Let us put in our PAN number. And once we have put in our PAN number, we have to click on validate. So let us go ahead and do that. So once we click on validate, we'll see that the PAN has been successfully validated. Next up, in case you are an individual taxpayer, you need to confirm this. Then click on continue. So here you are expected to put in your basic details, which would include your name, your date of birth, your gender, your residential status, and so on. So let us go ahead and do that. So once you have done that, click on continue. Next up, here also you are expected to put in your contact details, which will again include your mobile number and also the information as to who does this mobile number belong to. Same goes for email address. Next up, you also have to put in your postal address, and it will include your PIN code, the post office, the area, the locality, the town, the state, and so on. So let us go ahead and input those important information. So once you have done that, click on continue. So once you have clicked on continue, you will be redirected to this page. So here you would be expected to put in the OTP that you have received on your registered mobile number and on your registered email ID. Once done, click on continue. Next up, you will be redirected to this page where you will have to verify all the details that you have just put in. The last step is to secure your account. So here you will have to secure your account, and the most important way to do that is to select a very strong password. Once done, you have to also set your personalized message. So what is this? So this is an exclusive message that you need to set for yourself. You have to do this because next time you try to log into the portal, you have to validate this message. This is for security purpose. Once done, click on register, and there it was that easy to set up your account on the new income tax portal. We are Quicko, on a mission to simplify taxes for you.